डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलची डेडलाईन जी हांवें दिल्या ही फक्त फातोर्डेच्या लोकां खातीर न्ही पूण एंटायर सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्टाची. आज गोवा बेंच ऑफ द मुंबय हायकोर्ट आणि दखल घेतल्या की हेल्थ सेक्टरान मेजर सरकाराचे नेग्लिजन्स जाता. आय वॉन्ट टू नाव गो टू द कोर्ट, attach my petition along with that petition, showing that the premier health institution of a district of South Goa is being neglected by the government. And I'll make an appeal to the High Court to call Vishwajit Rane and the Chief Minister to the High Court to answer for this. This will be my plea. The ICU, PM CARES had given an ICU. We have seen that the ICU exists, but it has been shut down. There is no trauma unit. Anybody who meets with an accident in Konkani, in the Speaker's constituency of Konkani, is brought here as a referral hospital and then sent, repackaged and sent to the JMC to die. So in other words, the common man is unsafe on the district because the government has neglected this district hospital with a conspiracy that they can allot it to a private party. This is my charge and I am in the process of framing the case. In this week we will go to the High Court.
मडगावचो आमदार म्हणटा सरकाराची अश्युरन्स कमिटी आसा तांकां सांगता आपूण कोर्टात वचपाक शकना.
इश्यू स्टार्ट करपा खातीर तुमी कितें हें करतले?
ना हांव आतां परत पत्र पळयतलो अश्युरन्स कमिटी
कितें तो म्हणटा आपूण कोर्टाक वयता.
दॅट इज ऑल रायट बट ही कॅन आय विल नॉट गो टू द कोर्ट बट आय विल रायट देम सेइंग दॅट दिस शूड बी डन इमिडिएटली.
पण कित्याक गव्हर्नमेंट इस्कूल फाटी पडटा?
हांव नको म्हाका खबर ना.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.